Hey guys, what's up? This is Nilab. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you how you can monetize your blog through AdSense, right? I'm going to give you an example of my travel blog, which is travelscape.in. So I have enabled Google Ad as one of the source for my revenue, right? And it's paying me some 20 to $25 per month. So yeah, I know that it's less, way less, but this gives me motivation to keep it continue and keep it growing, right? So my AdSense revenue is increasing 10% month on month basis. And before I proceed, this is primarily targeted to Indian audience. So we all know that the click per cost, I mean cost per click, sorry, is very low for Indian market. So that's why my Google AdSense revenue is a bit low. But I want to answer a few of the questions which I keep continuing on getting on Quora. That is Google AdSense dead? How can I monetize my blog? So before you make 5 figures, 6 figures, this is very important. You start with one figure, right? I mean, yeah. So $10, $15, $20. That is what you have to make. So this is my website, travelscape.in, right? I encourage you to please search on Google Travelscape and come on my website. You can subscribe and or you can be a part of my travel community wherein you can click on Facebook and subscribe us, right? So for Google AdSense, right? So this is my dashboard, right? I mean, from last 7 days, you can see my earning was $4.45, right? And 43 clicks were there, right? So let's say I want to go to last month. So right now it's May. So I want to go to and see the April month revenue. Let's wait to refresh the dashboard. Yeah. So you can see right now it's $25.99, almost close to $26, right? The pages view are these, clicks are 177. These are stats that it makes, right? And how the ads are shown, like let's say if I am clicking on this. So right now, I mean, because of this caching and all, the ads are not getting displayed. So I've turned on the Google automatic ad, and that is how it is being taken care. They insert Google ads in between the content or starting of the paragraph, something like that way, right? So yeah, I mean, if I again go back and click on, let's say I give you a custom. Okay, I'm giving custom date, something like from April till date or till 30th April. I earned something close to $60, like that. That's done come to in INR. Let's go to INR. Okay, so because I'm based in India, so I'm more interested in getting the money in Indian rupee. That comes to approx close to 4,243 rupees, right? As I told you, yeah, it's not very high, but it is good to cover my hosting expenses, and thereby, I mean, keep me motivated, right? So for your question, is Google AdSense dead or is Google AdSense working? My simple answer is, please try to implement this Google AdSense, and don't use shortcut method like clickbait and all, invalid clicks and all. They're going to block you. I mean, that's very straightforward. Keep it as it is and create a great content so that Google AdSense will insert the relevant ad, and people will compel to click those ads. That's how about it. I mean, that's very straightforward. This is my one sources. If you are interested, if you want to know the other sources like affiliate marketing, like brand partnership and all, please press that subscribe button or like or comment. I would like to answer all your query. I mean, I have learned this blogging, this digital marketing since 2.5 3 years, right? I want you to if you are starting up or if you're stuck somewhere, this my channel. I am committed to help you out, right? So I'm looking forward for the next video and your comment. Please let me know how it is, how I have to improve, and any question. If you have any genuine question, if you have, please write it in the comment section. I am going to reply it, right? So for today, I'm saying goodbye, tata, all the best.